How to fix Steam stopping and starting downloads. So I'm going to show you a few things that we need to do to fix this. For the first one, we want to open up Steam, click on Steam here in the top left, then go to settings, here select downloads, and we want to clear the download cache. Now make sure you know your account and password because this will log you out. So if we click on clear cache here, it will clear all of your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in back into Steam. Do you wish to continue? Click on confirm and this will clean your download cache. Now that was the first thing that we needed to do. After we have done this, what we want to do is just exit out of Steam here completely. So right click on your taskbar, go to task manager. Here we'll just search for Steam and we want to click on end task. Now after we have done this, just close Steam. We want to open up our computer search, and this is the thing that is probably going to work for most people. Go to this PC, find your disk where you have Steam installed. So for me that's C drive. Right click on it, go to properties. Here we will go to hardware and select the disk that is used for your C drive. For me it's the first one, so just do the first one, try it. Go to properties here. Now we will go to volumes, we will select populate, and from this option that pops up right here, we will go to policies, and we want to uncheck every single option that is checked here. So just uncheck everything, click on OK, and now if we restart our PC, this should work. But before you restart your PC, make sure you leave a like and sub because this is going to work. And I'll see you next time. Hope this helps.